Hey everyone, ever remove someone on Snapchat by mistake and now want to add them back? No worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat, tap the magnifying glass at the top, type their username or display name. If their profile pops up, tap add. So if you don't remember the username, no worries. Snapchat actually keeps a list of people you have removed, so let's find them. Tap your big emoji or profile icon, go on setting, scroll down to block and check if you accidentally blocked them or not. If not, go back and tap on add friends. Look under quick add. You might see their names there. So if you find them, just hit add and you are good to go. Besides this, if all else fails, just ask them to add you back. Send them a message outside of Snapchat, give them your snap code or username. Once they add you, accept the request and start snapping again. Simple, right? Just don't go on adding spree too fast, or Snapchat might think you are a bot. And that's it. Super easy ways to add someone back on Snapchat and keep your streak alive. So if this video felt helpful, like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tell me in the comments how many friends do you have on Snapchat.